Hey everybody, today is Monday, and it's Monday, October 7th. I kind of lost my days recently because I've been celebrating the China National Day holiday for the past week. But today's going to be very fun because I'm going to be riding a driverless taxi. So I'm waiting on it to arrive now. When it arrives, I'll show you guys what it looks like. Okay, the pony is approaching. That's the name of the company that does the driverless taxi. So you can see it right there, and I'm going to get in and get to my destination. So yeah, you can see the steering wheel completely moving by itself. And so I asked them, I go, hey, why are you still sitting in the front? I thought this was a fully automatic vehicle, and it's just a safety feature that the company adds, that they have still a human being, you know, in the driver's seat. But you can see the steering wheel is completely moving, you know, by itself as we're going into these turns. And altogether, it's a pretty smooth ride. I'm pretty impressed. And, you know, they're changing lanes pretty seamlessly. But the ride I chose today is not to go too far. It's just to go maybe 2 kilometers from where I was at to a popular mall. But yeah, it's pretty cool because if it was fully, you know, truly automatic with nobody sitting up there, it is all about safety. You know, when you come into they tell you on the app that you order the car on to enter from the rear right door, and then when you come, there's this little screen right here that has English as well, that says, hey, please make sure the door's closed, and please buckle up. And then you have to do all that, and then I guess it senses everything because those two things are check mark green, and then you can press start ride. So it's pretty cool how they have it set up and how everything's getting developed. Now we're coming up on a green light, you know, green turn signal. And it's just to show you, you know, the whole car's moving by itself. That guy's just basically just sitting there on standby for complete, you know, emergency situations, I'm guessing. But we're almost to my destination, so I'll show you guys what the car looks like again once I get out. As you can see, there's a TV. It says, hey, make sure you get your personal belongings and stuff like that. So yeah, there's another look at the pony car. You know, when this fully gets implemented, because they're still in the testing stages, and I asked the guy, because a couple weeks ago I noticed their operating area was smaller than it is today, and he's like, yeah, we just grew to cover more parts of the city. So in the future they'll have that to where I guess it will cover the whole city, plus maybe in the future they won't need the real human beings in there to ensure, you know, the safety. So yeah, we'll see how that goes. But I hope y'all enjoyed the video, and I'll see y'all next time.